Hi, everyone. There's been a lot of confusion about calendars, and so in the interest of simplifying things, I'm going to show you how to view your Google Calendar that you may be using to set up meetings with your students and things like that uh, in your Outlook calendar. All right, how to merge the two. Um, in order to make this happen, you want to start in Google. So get logged into your Google account, your STU Google account. Go up to the apps grid and select calendar. And once you're in calendar, you'll see over on the left, if you've got more than one calendar, it'll be there. But by default, your personal calendar should be selected, and that's the one that's going to be uh, used in most cases. Um, in my case, it's called Stephen Coker. Yours is probably going to be labeled with your name. Going to scroll over that, and right there, I'm going to click on the options button, and you'll see there's a settings and sharing menu option. So I'm going to click on settings and sharing, and that's going to give me a bunch of different options for customizing my calendar. And you can play with that as much as you want, but I want to just scroll down at this point to the point where it says integrate calendar. All right. And I get a couple different addresses there I can use. You want to use the one that says secret address because that's not going to be public. This is just for you. You're just going to be looking at this in your own Outlook account. So you want to use that secret address in iCal format address. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it. All right. And then I'm going to go over to my Outlook mail. All right. And over here in my Outlook mail, it defaults to mail, but I can look at the calendar just by clicking on the calendar icon in the lower left. And once I'm there, obviously I can see all my stuff that's in my Outlook calendar. And I have an option up here, over here on the left, for add a calendar. So I'm going to add another calendar to this. All right. So click on add calendar. A little window is going to pop up. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Thank you, Microsoft. Over here on the left, there is a subscribe from web option. All right, you're looking for that one, subscribe from web. Right here, going to click on that. It's going to give me a space into which I will paste the address I copied from Google. So I'm going to paste that in, and that looks like it's supposed to. And I need to give my calendar a name, so I'm just going to call this S. Coker Google Calendar. All right. I can select a unique color if I want for my Google Calendar items. Let's go with purple. All right, that looks good. I can select a charm. I have no idea what the charm does, but you can play with that if you want to. And then it'll ask you to add it, which group do you want it added to? I would put it in my calendars because it's my calendar. But you can also create different groups and you can put it wherever you want. That's up to you. But I would recommend you just put it in my calendars and then hit import. You're going to get a progress button that should be there only for a couple seconds. And once it's done, you'll get a message. Bottom, you click out. And now I can see, so for example, I have a Google Meet meeting scheduled for tomorrow that is now showing up on my Outlook calendar as well. So there you go. Hopefully this will make things easier for some of you guys. And as always, if you have any questions, you can send me an email and I will do my best to answer it for you. All right, take care.